There you are. Welcome back, YouTube family. This is ALFATIR Crawford with Finance Up. I hope everyone is doing well. Thanks for the continued support. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some strategies you can use in mobile home investing. Now, mobile home investing is a great way to enter into real estate investing. It's an affordable way that you can have entry into real estate. So in this video, I'm sharing with you some strategies that I use and some strategies that you can use to become a mobile home real estate investor. So again, this channel is all about helping you guys finance up. So I hope you find this information helpful. This is ALFATIR Crawford with Finance Up. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video and you know how we do here. Let's share the screen and let's go. Before I give you some mobile home investment options and strategies, the first thing you need to do is find a great deal on a mobile home. So always be looking for roadside gold. Here you have a 3-bed, 1.5 bath mobile home that I just purchased. I have to have it moved to where I store my mobile homes prior to rehabbing them. But again, keep a lookout for great deals by driving for dollars. You can find deals like this one. Just needs a little TLC and it will make a great home for someone. Again, the first thing you need to do is find a great deal on a mobile home. And now I'm going to share with you some of the mobile home strategies that you can use in mobile home investing. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath mobile home. So make sure you go out there and find you a great deal on a mobile home. Now, as I promised, I'm gonna share with you some strategies for mobile home investing. Mobile home investment options. My mobile home investment option is to buy, rehab, and rent the mobile home out on property that I own. Here you can see one of my mobile home parks. This is my little mini mobile home park. These are 1-bedroom, 1-bath mobile homes, but this is the option I choose. There are many other options. Buy, rehab, and rent and place the mobile home on your own property. Now, if you do not own any land, you can place your mobile home in a mobile home park. However, you have to pay the lot fee. So again, you do not have to own land and you do have the option to place your mobile home in a mobile home park and you will have to pay the lot fee. So this is option number 1. So let's go and let's talk about some other options. As you can see, these mobile homes in the picture frame, these are mobile homes that I purchased a while back, and this is where I store my mobile home purchases until I am ready to rehab the mobile home. Option 2 is to find a great deal on a mobile home, make the purchase, complete the rehab, and resell the mobile home. So you can buy, fix, and flip the mobile home. So basically you will find it at a discount, you would add value to the mobile home, and then you will resell it for a profit. So that is option number 2, buy, fix, and flip. Option number 3 is to purchase the property as is and sell the property as is. So basically you're buying the property, you're not doing any work on the property and you selling it the same way you found the property when you purchased it. So this is buy as is and sell as is as an option in mobile home investing. So I just shared with you 3 strategies, options for mobile home investing. Now we're gonna go take a look at one of the rehabs I have started on one of the properties I have housed out here in my staging area. So we're gonna go take a look at one of those rehabs, and then we will do a recap on some of these strategies that I shared with you today. So again, this is one of the mobile homes that I purchased a while back that I have started the rehab on. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath mobile home. It's a nice mobile home. It's going to be a nice place for someone to call home. So again, I've given you some mobile home investment options. Again, you can buy, fix, flip. You can buy as is, sell as is, or you can buy, fix, set them up on your own piece of land and rent them, or you can buy and fix and you can place them in a mobile home park, which you have to pay the lot fee. And you do have an option if you already find a mobile home already located in a mobile home park for sale. You can just buy it, fix it, or do a little rehab to it and just rent it back out. And again, you will have to pay the lot fee. So again, these are some of your options in mobile home investing. There you have it, YouTube family. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found the information helpful. Again, mobile home investing is a great way to enter into real estate investing. So again, you can find affordable mobile homes on the market, and you can take those mobile homes with the strategies that I shared here in this video, and you can make great income and a great return on your investment. So again, as always, thanks for the continued support. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye for now.